What's going on, everyone? I certainly hope you're all doing very well. Unfortunately, we are once again out of gold this week. I'm going to try to put something together for next week between the vehicle being out and situations like it is. I just, we got to do what we got to do. So we got us a repair video I had to do on the neighbor's house. Turned out to be a problem like everything else, but we got it solved. So, like I said, I'm going to try to put something together for next week. Just can't go with nothing on the channel. So, thank y'all once again for watching and sticking with me on this. And hopefully we'll be back soon with some of that beautiful shiny. Well, this is my job for the weekend. I got a big sliding glass door to replace this one. It's barely can open, so we got to pull all of our framing around it. And inside I've got the fancy moldings that they'd put in here, so it's all sheetrock. I've got this one off. We'll pop out this flange. I'm supposed to have somebody come over here to help me swap it out, actually move this thing, but we'll see. So yeehaw, there's our job du jour, maybe for the whole weekend, depending on how hard it is to do all this. But yeah, whenever you work on these old houses, if I didn't get the standard size here, it's like 4 times the price to try to fit an exact opening if it's not 6 by 8. But like I said, we'll see what this one goes. It'll be nice when it's done. All right, well, I've got my trim off. They've got some kind of jerry-rigged board up on the top to close it in, so I guess that's good. That means I got plenty of room at the top. I'm still a little concerned because we seem to be pretty tight on our fittings here on the ends, but we'll just have to see. Well, all right, I got a big hole in my room now. I got it torn out, added my side. had room to put one more board in on the side to fit in. My top's going to be all right. The base looks good. I was able to. That's a big heavy door I got out there and dragged out here. My buddy's on his way over to help me put it in there for the dry fit, and then I'll see what I need to maybe for adjusting the top, if I need to put in a 1x. And you got to put it in and dry fit it, make sure it fits before you just stick it in. Then I'll have to do all my caulking and sealing around here. Fortunately, I got a pretty wide overhang, so it's protected, so that's good. But yep, we're coming along. Well, I got my door installed and seemed to went in fine once I shimmed and did a little stuff, but the door it barely, it's like dragging a concrete block back and forth. And I messed with the rollers. You're supposed to adjust it so that it opens and closes. I found one little 1/2-inch brass nut in the track. I don't know if it came off one of the rollers, it messed up the other, or if it's just bad. But yeah, it turns out on some of the reviews, when you go look on it, that's been an issue with these. So she can't wrestle with this, so I ordered a new door. This one's a little bit different. It's got shades built into it. And but we've had torrential rain now, day after day, so I'm in between storms now, trying to see if I can at least get this changed in, swapped out, and then I can come back when it's dry and finish off all my trim and what I need to do. But yeah, it's just been terrible trying to get over here to change this out. They're gonna pick up. I'm gonna pull it. They're gonna pick this one up and ship it back and refund it. But just the fact, fortunately, nothing's trimmed in, no other work other than screwing it all on the track there, and I didn't finish that off when I realized the door was not holding, or not working. So yeah, $900 door, you'd expect it to work right. That's what I was telling him. This door used to be what would have been a $300 door, so the price has increased, but the quality has not, other than double pane argon filled glass to keep it from clouding up. All of it's plastic. There's no metal in any of it other than the window frames, the door frames themselves lined with vinyl. So, and this one's no better. This one's like 1100, 1200. basically the same door but with shades, but this is all he could get quick, not waiting for, you know, weeks to get the order in. But yeah, you know, it'd suck if you did this. You'd have to, you know, they'll swap the door, but they won't pay for your labor. Yeah, that helps a lot, doesn't it? All right, well, I'm done with this one. What should have been a simple door change out. The second door went in fine. Turns out I got this one in. It was not on the track either. It would not open at all. Had to take the door off, reset it on the track, and that's how it's supposed to open. One finger. It was ridiculous. So this one comes with the shades. I ended up repairing the soffit up there, closed it in, put in some nice trim, and replaced the trim around this one because it was old. And then I had to cut all my new interior to fit the thing a little bit, adjusted, but it came out as a little fleur-de-lis. You can't get those now. You gotta make ones you have work, but came out very nice. And again, the shades drop down, and then you adjust them up here on this little switch here that lets it go up or down. So it's yeah, it's very nice that she's not gonna have to wrestle with the door that she could not drag open. That's how it's supposed to go. We're calling this one done for the neighbor, and thanks for watching.